Good morning, all of you. So, I am Dr. S.P.M. Srinivas, Professor, Department of Computer Science, Nassau Engineering College. Today, I am going to discuss Introduction to DevOps. So, here, the DevOps is one of the very good software process model. In nowadays, it is a very popular. Almost all of this, all the companies, they have to switch over into the previous process models into DevOps. Why? Because the DevOps process model is that very fastly to deliver the developed softwares. They deliver the products. They deliver the software into the customer in a fast manner and also the incremental manner, and they have to solve the problems at a finite time. Maybe maximum is for the 1 month, the 15 days, the 1 month after that, they have to deliver as a software process models. So how it is possible? That we have to discuss into the entire development process and the structure and so many futures and all will be discussed one by one. We see this one. So in this session, I discuss this overview of DevOps. Out of the traditional development processes are there, and technical challenges, debated approach, concepts technologies, DevOps tools, continuous integration and continuous development, and DevOps in cloud. So these are the six topics are there, but it is a series of videos I will discuss the one by one. Now, I'm going to discuss as is DevOps. So, what is a DevOps? So, DevOps is that it is a philosophy of unifying the development operations and the culture, practice, and tools to achieve accelerated and more frequent development of changes to production. So, here it is a simple thing is that it is a philosophy. So the philosophy is that they said the philosophy is that actually in our Indian culture it is a culture fact. So culture means it is a tradition. Tradition is it is the following the generations, following from the generations. So, and that generation what the previously answered, and that we have to take into consideration only how to do it. So, nothing is that we are not to think about this, what it is to learn, what's the question is that why, what, these are not. So, it is that the culture, they have to adapt it very easily. So when the culture is how to adapt it, so that is that a very strong implementation will become in the society. So that's why that. So when you have to create the DevOps culture in your software development process, so it is easy to get as in the software development in the customer. So that's why that it is a philosophy to define the development and operations and culture. And second is the practice. The culture definitely it is a practice. Suppose you know that Hindus, it is a culture. So one traditional cultures will be there. So in every day, so that day they have to define it as a culture that they follow us. Every house and every family they have to follow that culture. And same as in the DevOps, it is a process. That process is converted into a culture. So regularly, then you have to do this as a culture. You can adapt in the culture. It can easily to develop as a process. So that is the one. This another is the practice. The practice makes the man perfect. Same as so the same that you have to using the same kind of things that you have to do in this. It is a practice. Definitely it is that first day it is a 4 days, 5 days. Second day, the same thing that you have the 3 days back. And third day again is a 2 days back. So that is that by experience of the practicing it. So a less number of time will be noted. So this is the because of only of the usage of the tools, usage of automated tools. That is the more important than you know to think more as a success. That is how to discuss it today. So to achieve the accelerated most frequent deployment of changes to the production. Another is the term DevOps. DevOps. This is the two terms that typically refers to the emerging the professional movement that advocates to collaborate the working relationship between the development and the media operations. So the development is a thing, operations is another. So then how to create is a culture. These two teams are come together and work together. Then how to develop as a culture, definitely getting as a resulting is a very fast. So that is your development and IT operations. DEV is the development, OPS is the operations, that is IT operations. These are two teams, resulting in that fast flow of planned work while simultaneously increasing the reliability, stability, resilience, and security of the production environment. So this is the reliability, stability, resilience, and security of the production environment. We have to see that. So the DevOps refers to the collaborative culture between the technical teams. So this is that the DevOps is that it comes as the word that first is culture. So the culture and how to create it, to collaborating between of the technical teams. So they're collaborating the technical teams. So what are that? Development teams and operation teams. In addition of these are not only of these two, one more is also that how to adapting one team that is called the quality assurance team. So that is that it composes much more than just development and operation, extending to the quality assurance testing, releases and much more. So when you have to strengthen this the quality factor in your development of your software, so then you have to one team then you have to become included in the culture, collaborating the culture between of these three teams, one is the development teams, operation teams, and the quality assurance teams. So by aligning with the goals and sharing the strategies, the DevOps practices improve the efficiency and quality of the product, code shape, allowing business to innovate quickly while providing the highest standard of support. So here is this, so we have to releasing the products and fastly they have to releasing the products and fastly they have to changing of your products. So this along with that comes only the because of the culture, how to collaborating the culture between the technical teams. So this is that we have to talk about this one word as a CAPS, CAPS. So the DevOps is about the discuss of this the fourth thing CAPS. The C for the culture, A for the automation, M for the measurement, S for the share. So culture, automation, measurement, share. Culture means it is a teams are colliding. The teams are collaborating. The teams are collaborating each other. Definitely, everybody will do as is very fast. But it's not only of this the collaboration. The collaboration is only the possible of to introducing of the automation. Because there is suppose if the two members are to collaborate with each other, so what is the benefit why you are collaborating? So that question will be there. Suppose you have to do as some mechanism, you have to collaborate with your work is easy, so that's why they have collaborate. So how it is work is easy? That means we have to introduce in the so many automation tools. So automation tools means do the same work in the number of parts. So that is an automation tools will be there. So that way your work will be reducing, your time will be reducing, your time will be reducing, and also your energy will be better, secure. So when you have using an automation, everybody is agree. So that's why that you have to collaborating of these people and there is a the people are understanding and people are agreeing by way of collaborating with each other. So the culture will be very easily to adapt it when you are introducing as a automation. So not only of these two, okay, everybody is agreeing and you have to collaborate with each other to do this. But then how it is to measuring of this? That is that statistical metrics Then how to introducing it, how to measuring of this performance of their performance of their teams and drilling of the ball. So that is a measurement. And another is a share. All the teams, you know, the one team is there one place, another team is there another place. They come together in one place. So we come as a travel and all these things. So it is not possible. Physically come together, it is not possible. So that's why that we have to give as a some technological way that sharing of their works. So sharing in the internet and the sharing of some platforms. So definitely it is that everybody is that their places only they have. So this is called as a CAMS, culture, automation, measurement, share. That is a CAMS. So the culture means change management, and automation means release the management, configuration, version controls, integrations, monitoring. These are all will be automation. So anywhere you go, there is automation tools will be there. Releasing of the management things. Yes, configuration. No need of interfering of the automatically they have to configure. Everybody is happy. The version controls, when the software will be the updations will be about automatically they have to upgradations will be about okay, no need interference will be there. So because of this transfer base of will be calculated, everything will be there, then automatically will be updating just for the making of this better. So this is where the people very interested and they have to easily to grab it. Next is the integration. Okay, integrating of this new platform, so there is no specific boundaries will be there. So then you have to monitor it. You can use the dashboards will be there. Then you can easily to monitor the server. So that's the automation will be there. Measurements will be there. So metrics. So performance metrics, process metrics, people metrics. So with the deploying of these new modules, okay, what is the performance will be there? And process when you have to handle it, one module to the other module or one function to the other function. So what is our type of process will be there? What are the parameters will be there? Are you handover? Are you doing? This is next is the people, the involvement of the people, deployment of the people. So when the end users, customers, so HRs, analysts, designers, so many people are there. So all the people. Next is the sharing, feedback, full location. This is the most important. That's a full locations is that sharing of this one. Another thing is called the feedback. Regularly, so the not only of this development and operation stage, okay, the customers and end users is also the part every time okay, they have to give us these rotations, what they receive and what is the feedback. So but again we have the feedback, we have the rotation, so this is the way of the culture, definitely it is successful. So this is that scams, CDMS, culture, automation, measurement, and share. Next is the traditional IT problems. So what are the traditional IT problems there? When they solved as the previously models will be there. That is the development and operation in isolation.